Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the TV shows Chromecast built in and that WebOS is up to date. This avoids surprises later. Next, make sure both the TV and the device you'll cast from are on the same Wi-Fi network. Pick 2, 4 or 5 GHz depending on range and interference. Now, open a cast-capable app on your phone or laptop and find the cast icon. Once you see it, tap to begin the pairing handshake. This initiates discovery and prepares both devices to stream. After discovery, tap the cast icon in the app and select your LG TV by the name shown. This directs the stream to the correct display. Make sure to accept any permission prompts. Allowing network access and media control ensures smooth playback and remote control from your device. Once connected, use the Source app to control play, pause, skip, and volume. The TV will mirror or receive media. If you plan to mirror a browser tab, choose the Tab Cast option for video with sound. To end casting, stop from the Source app or use the TV's cast control to disconnect. This frees the TV for other inputs. If the TV fails to appear, restart the TV and your router and toggle Wi-Fi on the casting device. This clears transient network issues. Make sure the casting app and your device OS are updated and check router settings for guest isolation that blocks device-to-device communication. If problems persist, reboot both devices and try again. Most issues resolve after a fresh network handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.